Hello guys, and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube white usual theme into dark theme. So let's start this video. But before starting this video, if you are new to this YouTube channel, then press the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell to get notifications about newly uploaded video of this channel. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share it to your friends, relatives, and also comment down below. And let's start this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube usual theme into dark theme. And this trick, this way which I'm going to show you, works in any kind of mobile, iOS, Android, any kind of mobile. So first you have to go to this YouTube app. Then go to your account. Here we can see beside the magnifying the search icon there is written S in blue color. So tap in that and go to the settings. Down below the turn to incognito and go to the first one, general. Then here we can see remind me to take break. That's not. That second one, dark theme, reduce glare and improve night viewing. Enable it. Now here we have dark theme of YouTube. And to again convert it into usual theme, go to your account settings, general, and disable it. And if you want, then enable it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share this video, comment down below, and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.
अच्छा चलता हूँ, दुआओं में याद रखना।